In Lesson 2, students learn about how a virus makes a person sick. However, they first explore their initial ideas about how a virus makes a person sick through the process of modeling. Scientists use models to make predictions, ask questions, and form theories about how systems work, and they are a powerful way for students to visualize their thinking and how it changes over time. A model is a set of ideas about how or why something works the way it does. It can be represented in different ways, such as with physical materials, diagrams, writing, or a computer program. The way a model is represented is not as important as how students use it as a tool for making sense of phenomena. In this lesson, students draw and label initial models to visualize their ideas about how viruses make us sick. Then students conduct research into viruses and how they work, and then return to their models to revise their initial thinking based on the evidence they've collected in their research. If you've never used models or modeling before in your class, or even if you have, you might be wondering how it goes in a classroom. Let's hear more about that.
We had a discussion of what we thought was most important from the different resources and models that we had observed. We said that we needed to have the virus, we needed to have people, we needed to have droplets. They each created their own, and then we came back together and noticed what was similar between each child's paper model and created an additional model that we then put outside again on our bulletin board for other kids to see and inform themselves on how exactly coronavirus is transmitting from person to person. It was cool to see after watching videos and reading together about coronavirus, designing our own models, the kids would design their own models by themselves. That might be more or less in detailed, but during writer's workshop, their little paper books, some of them would write informational booklets about coronavirus and how it spreads, or they would make a story about a coronavirus. One of the things that we have in our room a lot is modeling clay or Play-Doh for sensory input, and we created our own physical models of the virus